Hello everyone, welcome back to our playlist which name is Power BI with SQL. So in the last tutorial guys, we have covered that how we can create multiple instances in SQL and how we can add multiple users under that instance. And we have also learned how we can use grant or revoke permission with that user with the help of grant and revoke command. So I hope you guys are cleared with all the concept of SQL which we have covered so far. So in today's tutorial, we will cover this transaction control language. And this commit, rollback and save point is a part of transaction control language. And now let's understand why these commands are required in SQL. So let's start our tutorial. So let's go back to the SSMS screen and understand this concept with practical. So here we have entered in SSMS screen. And firstly guys, I have a script to create any structure of the table. So now let me paste that script here. And now you guys are clearly understood what I have mentioned it here. I have mentioned the table name with column name along with its data type and its constraint. And we have already learned that how we can create a table in SQL. So let's say I'll rename this table name as EMP. And now I will select this command and hit execute. So see guys, command completed successfully. That means our EMP table has created in our database. And now let me open this table with select command. So I will simply write select star from table name which is EMP. And now I will select this command and hit execute. So here we can clearly see our structure of the table has created with the column name, ID, name, salary and manager ID. And now guys, I will insert some values under it with the help of insert into and values command. So I have already copied that script and now I'll paste it here. So with the help of this insert into command guys, I want to create 4 records. And now I will select this query and hit execute. So here we guys can see it's getting me an error because I have not changed the table name. So I will simply go here and select my table name which is EMP. And now I will again select this command and hit execute. So see guys, 4 rows are affected. And now I will open this table with this select star from employee and hit execute. So see guys, we have entered all 4 records here under this table with the help of insert into command with values. And I have already covered this thing in the first tutorial, that how to create a table in SQL. So if you guys feel any confusion here to understand this script, so go and watch my first tutorial where you will get how to create a structure of the table and how we can insert value under that table. And let's suppose guys, I want to enter one more record here under this EMP table. So what can I do? I'll press enter here and copy this query and paste it here. And I can simply change the values from here. Let's say ID would be 5. Name would be Virat, salary let's say 6,000 and the manager would be let's say 2. And I'll remove this comma from here. And now I will select this query and hit execute. So here we can see one row is affected. And now what I'll do guys, I'll simply select this table and hit execute. So here we can see our 5th record has added in our table which name is Virat. In a similar way, you guys can add many records with the help of insert into query. And now let's come back to our topic, which name is save point. So save point command is used to make the save changes in temporary in our table. For an example, if you insert or update anything in your existing table, then that record will save in your table. And we can also roll back with the help of rollback command. And I will also explain this rollback command after this save point. For now only, you only have to understand we can also use rollback with the help of this save point command. And we guys can use this syntax while creating any entry. So here is the syntax guys. Firstly you need to write begin transaction. After that you need to write go. And then you can write the same query which we have inserted. And now let's apply save point command in SQL. So let's go back to the SSMS screen. So what I am doing guys, I want to create one more entry here with the help of save point command. So I will start my query with begin transaction, so that SQL can understand we want to use save point command. And now I'll write go. And after that I can write the same query. If you want to insert any record, so you can use this insert query. And if you want to update any record, so you guys can use update query over here. And now I'll change the entries from here. Let's say ID would be 6, the name would be Dhoni, and the salary would be, let's say, 7,000, and the manager would be 3. And now I will select this command and hit execute. So see guys, one row is affected. And now let's open this EMP table. So I will simply select this query and hit execute. So see guys, the Dhoni record has added here in our table, which name is EMP. So the question is, why we are using this save point command? So the answer is, we can use rollback while we creating save point command. So let's firstly understand what is rollback. So this rollback command is used to undo all the changes made during a transaction and restore the database to its previous state. For an example, if you insert or update anything in your existing table with the save point command, then that record will save in your table. And with the help of rollback command, we can delete that created record. And basically you can say it here, rollback here works like undo command, which is Ctrl Z, which you guys using in other tools like MS Word or Excel. And here is the simple syntax guys. Only you need to write rollback, that's it. And now guys, I want to roll back Dhoni record, which we have just created. So let's go back to the SSMS screen. And I want to delete this created record, which we have just created. So I will simply write rollback and hit execute. So see guys, commands completed successfully. And now let me open this table again with the help of this select star from EMP and hit execute. So see guys, the record which we have created is deleted. So that means with the help of rollback, you guys can go back step. But if you try to do with this insert query, this rollback command will throw you an error. And now let's understand what is the uses of commit command in SQL. So this command is used to save all the changes made during a transaction. For an example, if you insert or update anything in your existing table, then that record will save permanently in your table. And we can't also roll back that record if we create that entry with the using commit command. And here is the syntax guys, which is just like a save point. Firstly, you need to write begin transaction, then go, and after writing the query, you need to add commit keyword. And once we used commit keyword, then SQL will automatically understand that you want to save all the changes permanently in your table. You can't make it roll back. And let's go to SSMS screen. And now let's write our query. So firstly, I will write begin transaction, and then I will write go. And after that, I will write my insert query. Or you guys can take any update query here if you want to update any record. But I want to insert value here. And now let's change some values. So here I'll take ID as 7, and I will also change the name here as Rohit Sharma. And the salary would be 8,000 and the manager would be second. And at the end of this query, we have to use commit keyword. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, one row affected. And now let me open this table. So I will simply select this query and hit execute. So see guys, our new record has added, which name is Rohit Sharma. And if I try to do rollback this command, so let's see what happened. So I will simply write rollback because I want to delete this Rohit Sharma here. So I will select this query and hit execute. So see guys, it's clearly throwing an error. The rollback transaction request has no corresponding begin transaction. That means you can't go back in the previous step. So I hope you guys are clear with the difference of save point, rollback and commit. And with these three commands, we have completed our subset of SQL. I know we are left with this merge statement, but I'm not gonna cover right now because this concept is little bit tricky. So once we complete few advanced topics, after that we will also create one video on merge statement so that you guys can better relate the things. But if I explain this merge concept here you guys will get more confused. So for now only, we will not cover this merge statement. But in our upcoming tutorials, we have definitely covered this merge statement. And in the next tutorial, we will also cover some more concepts of SQL. So for such kind of detailed learning of SQL, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if someone wants to learn Power BI from scratch, so you guys can follow our free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. Yes, you heard it right. Now our channel name has changed to Analytics Pro, and here under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail of Power BI. And if you click here on this playlist button, so we have multiple playlists are here. So we have Power BI full course playlist, we have DAX expression playlist, visualization, updates and advanced concept of Power BI, where I have covered each and everything in detail. And with the help of this Power BI with SQL playlist guys, we are also going to cover all the concepts of SQL in detail. So you guys can also start your journey of SQL with this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI and SQL jobs opening. So you don't need to pay anything for anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so we also providing paid training sessions. And we prepare candidates from scratch till advanced level with some scenario based concepts along with some real time projects, which you will not able to see in any of the institution or any YouTube channel. So with the help of this training, people get more confident and clear their interviews by themselves. So for paid training or any other support, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn, or you can also follow me on Instagram. You simply need to type Shubham_Power BI, and all the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.